Bonjour my friends, I'm Frankie and welcome to Club Foodie Tips and Tricks. This is a time of the year where we have many different products that are only available during Thanksgiving and the holidays. One of them is chestnuts. Interestingly enough, many people don't know how to handle these little guys, and it's so easy. So my friends, let's find out how. These are beautiful chestnuts that I bought at a store. And as soon as I got home, I put them in a bowl and straight to the fridge. They're not a typical nut. They have a high percentage of water and spoil faster. I treat them like fresh fruits, and I explain more on the website, so check it out. Now, when buying them at your supermarket, make sure to get the ones without any cracks or mold and feel heavier than their actual size. I got one here that is bad. It's cracked, plus there's mold growing. It's good for the garbage. All right, let's prep them. On the round side, not the flat side, we'll score the shell by making an X using a paring knife or a chestnut knife. Be very careful for not cutting yourself, okay? So that is what we're looking for. See? A little crust on it. When this is done, we'll transfer them to a bowl filled with lukewarm water and let them soak for 1 hour. Later on, we'll place them on a baking sheet, cut side up, and then transfer the chestnuts to a 425-degree preheated oven. We'll bake for 20 minutes or until the shells pull back and the flesh has softened. Some might need a little bit more time. We'll place the ones that are done in a clean dish towel and wrap them tightly. We'll let them steam for 15 minutes. When time is up, we'll remove the shells quickly while they're still warm. Otherwise, it might get harder. As you saw in this video, it's slightly technical but not hard at all. And you can now enjoy them as much as we do. I hope you enjoyed tips and tricks of the day. And for many more, including recipes, visit clubfoodie.com. Until next time, my friends, bon appétit!